The all-in-one Modern AM271 and AM241 series are perfect for the general use at home and business environments. The design is clean and sleek and it fits perfectly in this modern day and age. The modern AM models are a true space saver and still packs in more than needed processing power. The high performance is driven by the latest Intel Core processor together with a fast DDR4 RAM. Also, during high workloads, the all-in-one stays highly silent. The IPS panel truly lets you enjoy the best viewing angles, vivid and lifelike colors, providing you with the highest accuracy. To ensure a comfortable experience behind the screen, you can adjust the position to your best liking. The panel also has anti-flicker and less blue light technology to ensure less eye fatigue and more protection. For more convenience, the instant display technology lets you use the screen as a second monitor to another PC or laptop while being powered off. You can also set up a second monitor to extend the all-in-one's display. When you need even more space, you can install an additional 2.5-inch SSD without breaking any sweat. There are 24 and 27 inches models available, and here are the main differences.